everyone, I'm the Tax Pro, and today I'm going to talk about adding sales to Wave that don't need to involve invoices. So let me explain what I mean by that. When you invoice a customer through Wave, you're invoicing them and then you're not necessarily getting paid right away, right? But some of our businesses don't necessarily work that way. Some of our businesses we set up, and if a customer comes to us and makes a purchase, they're paying at the time of sale, right? So there's no delay between the time that the sale is made and the time that the payment is collected. So in order for you to go in and record that sale as an invoice and then a payment, that's very redundant and it's kind of time consuming. So instead of sitting and going invoice and then recording that invoice, you can just record income. So how does that work? This is the dashboard of Wave. You can go in and you can create a new transaction. So when we come into this area where we create a new transaction, you can also, I'm going to X out of this real quick. You can also go under accounting and go to transactions. This gives you an area where you can add your income that you're receiving right away. You can add expenses that you're paying right away, that kind of thing, okay? And then this more button helps you add journal entries, connect your bank so that you can go in and categorize, and then upload transactions. We're just gonna go in and record a sale where you've been paid right away. So you're gonna go to transactions, add income. Notice that this is a deposit, okay? So if we were to select withdraw, that would be like an expense. It's gonna happen today. You can write a description if you would like to. So you could put, sale of, maybe office furniture or something like that. You're gonna select the account that you are going to collect this into. If you're collecting cash or something along those lines, you're going to put it on cash on hand. If you are connecting it right to like a sales platform or you're just running a card, you could put it into a particular bank account. Just keep in mind that that transaction is not going to necessarily connect with the deposit into your bank account if fees are coming out. Okay, so let's say that I collected some cash. Let's say I collected $750, and then I am going to look under income accounts, and I'm just going to do sales. Okay, you can put a note on here. You can upload items, all that good stuff, and then you're going to save. Now you'll notice that there was an item that said mark for review. You mark this for review when you see it hit your bank account, but because we're collecting with cash, we know that it's in our cash account. So you can always look at it and check marked for as reviewed if you're not waiting for it to hit your bank account. Okay, we know that it's sitting in cash, so I'm just going to mark it as reviewed. So that is how you add income that is coming in. If you are running sales through a different payment processor, so not Wave, let's say that you're running sales through like Square or something like that. I often don't like to just add income for every single sale, especially if you have multiple sales coming in every single day. Let's say you have 20 sales coming in every day. For you to add 20 sales like that is going to be really time consuming. I much rather do a bulk journal entry for sales for the day, and I'll show you how to do that in a separate video. So let me really quick review and show you one more time how this works. So let's say that I collected cash or something like that, and this is the platform that I am recording my sales on. So what I mean by that is that you're not using like Square or some other system to collect payment. Okay, you're recording all your payments just in Wave. If you are using Square or something along those lines to collect payment, I'm going to show you in a separate video how to record those. So if we want to record like collecting cash or something along those lines, we're going to go So dashboard, we can either come under accounting and go to transactions, or we can create a new transaction. That's going to take us to this tab. If you click create a new transaction, it's going to automatically pop this up as well. So let's say that you sold something for cash. You could say, you know, sale of 3 cookies or something, or not three cookie trays. It's more realistic. So they paid you cash. You're going to have a deposit, not a withdrawal. And let's say that you sell these cookie trays for $30 a piece. That's $90. And then you're going to find the sale category that you want this recorded in. Okay? You can save this. You can also mark it as reviewed. So Wave has a process where you review transactions and then you essentially approve them. It's kind of like their reconciliation process. Because we're just automatically accepting that cash, if you're bringing that cash in, you can mark it as reviewed at that time. Okay? So that is how you record a transaction where you are just collecting funds up front and you don't want to go through the whole invoice process. If you are using a system such as Square or Stripe or something along those lines, I want you to record your sales a little bit different. I'll show you that in a different video. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know, drop a comment, and I will try my best to answer them. I'll see you guys next time.